Hello guys, in this video we have a short story which includes 19 collocations, 18 expressions and 9 phrasal verbs. In the beginning, I explain the collocations, expressions and phrasal verbs which were used in this story. And after that, we will have the story. Let's start with collocation. But what is collocation? Collocation is the habitual pairing of words or phrases that commonly occur together in a language. For example, make friends, to form new relationship or connection with other people. Casual acquaintances, being familiar with somebody but not close friends. Close friends means best friends. Love at first sight means experience of feeling a strong romantic attraction or connection with someone immediately upon first seeing them. Fall in love, the act of developing romantic feelings and emotions for someone over time. A strong chemistry, a powerful attraction or connection between two people. Significant other, a term used to refer to a person's romantic partner. Soulmate, a person with whom one shares a deep connection, often described as being destined to be together. Have feelings for, to experience romantic emotions towards someone. Not my type, a phrase used to indicate that someone does not possess the qualities or characteristics that one typically finds attractive. Unrequited love, the experience of loving someone who does not return those feelings. Childhood sweetheart, a person with whom one had a romantic relationship during their childhood years. College sweetheart, a person with whom one had a romantic relationship during their college years. Mutual friend, a person who is friend of both individuals in a relationship. Make a commitment, to make a promise to someone or something, often involving dedication, loyalty, or responsibility. Proposes to the woman, the act of asking a woman to marry you. Happily married, being in a marital relationship characterized by contentment, satisfaction, and joy. Has an affair, having a sexual relationship outside of one's committed partnership or marriage. Cheating on husband or wife, having a romantic or sexual relationship with someone else. Here we have expressions. Once upon a time, this phrase is commonly used to begin a story indicating that the events being described took place in the past. Little did she know, this expression suggests that the subject of the story was unaware or had no knowledge of something that was about to happen. Take a tragic turn. It means that the story or situation changed from a positive or hopeful state to a sad situation. Yearn for something. It means to have a strong desire or longing for something. Meaningful connection. It refers to a deep or significant relationship with someone. Vibrant personality. It describes someone who has a lively, energetic, and engaging character. Heart shatter. This phrase metaphorically refers to the intense emotional pain. Torn between. It means to be caught in a difficult situation where one has to choose between two conflicting options. Break someone's heart. It means to cause deep emotional pain, sadness, or disappointment to someone, typically in a romantic context. Solace in the arms of. This expression implies finding comfort or emotional support in the presence of another person. Betraying the trust. It refers to breaking the confidence that someone has placed on you. Shattered dreams. It describes the heartbreaking experience of seeing one's hopes or plans completely destroyed. Follow one's desires. It means to pursue or act upon one's inner wishes or wants. Consequences ripple through. This implies that the effect of a particular action or event is spread and impact various areas. Profound heartache. It refers to intense emotional pain, sadness that deeply affects a person. Fragile nature of love. It acknowledges that love can be delicate and easily broken or damaged. Succumbing to desires. It means giving in to one's strong wants or cravings. Hold dear. It means to value or deeply care for someone or something. Now, it is the turn of phrasal verbs. Number 1. Fall in love means romantic feelings take a tragic turn, that a situation or a story is leading to a tragic outcome. Make a commitment, to make a promise to someone. Proposes to, it refers to the act of asking someone to marry you. Break someone's heart, it means to cause self-emotional pain. Seek solace in, it means to look for emotional support. Betraying the trust, it refers to the act of breaking or violating the confidence. Ripple through, it means to spread or extend gradually, affecting other people or situations. Succumbing to, it means to give in or yield to something. One fateful day, Emily met James, a charming and charismatic man who would soon become one of her closest friends. Their connection was temporary, as it was love at first sight. They fell in love and shared a strong chemistry that was undeniable. James quickly became Emily's significant other, her soulmate. However, as time went on, Emily couldn't help but noticed that she had feelings for someone else. There was a mutual friend named Sarah, who had always been by Emily's side, offering support and understanding. Sarah was everything Emily needed, but she couldn't deny the fact that Sarah was not her type. Emily found herself trapped in a web of unrequited love. Her heart yearned for Sarah, while her commitment to James held her back. The weight of her emotions grew heavier each passing day. She couldn't bear the thought of hurting James, her childhood sweetheart, who had grown into a loving and caring partner. As Emily and James progressed through their lives, they faced the challenges and joys that came with marriage. They made a commitment to each other, vowing to always be there through thick and thin. James, deeply in love with Emily, decided it was time to take the relationship to the next level. He planned a romantic getaway and proposed to the woman he cherished. Emily, torn between her loyalty to James and her suppressed desires for Sarah, felt her world shatter. She couldn't bring herself to accept James' proposal, knowing that her heart belonged to another. The tragedy deepened as Emily confessed her feelings to James, breaking his heart in the process. Heartbroken, James struggled to come to terms with the reality that his happily married life was crumbling. Meanwhile, Emily, consumed by guilt and confusion, sought solace in the arms of another man. She had an affair, cheating on her husband and betraying the trust they had built over the years. The once promising love story had turned into a heartbreaking tale of shattered dreams and lost innocence. Emily's action had consequences that rippled through the lives of those around her, leaving a trail of pain and heartache. Her tragic story serves as a reminder that the choices we make can have far-reaching effects on the lives of others, and that true happiness lies in being true to oneself and respecting the commitment we make to our loved ones.